भावनाओं के संगीत, अल्फाजों के पर्वत, संवाद की एक नई रीत। A very warm good morning to our esteemed principal, Miss Poonamjeet Kaur, Honorable Vice Principal, Miss Rana Jona, Enrichment Head, Miss Sudeshna, worthy coordinators, Miss Monica Sharma and Miss Navjeet Kaur, respected teachers and my dear friends.
Today, we take the pride to welcome you all on behalf of Class 10C to our assembly. On introduction to 21st century with special importance to effective communication.
Let us begin this beautiful day by expressing our gratitude to the Almighty. I request you all to kindly close your eyes and join your hands for the morning prayer.
Israel military intelligence chief resigns over failure to prevent Hamas October 7 attack. US Air Force holds first ever human versus AI aerial dogfight.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news is the first phase of polls recalls over 62% turnout. The Election Commission orders re-polling in 11 Manipur polls. There was almost 0% voting in 6 Nagaland districts over separate territory demand. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news is Rajasthan Royals win Mumbai Indians by 9 wickets. Yuzvendra Chahal becomes the first bowler to start 200 IPL wickets. Hikaru Nakamura scores a hat-trick in Chess FIDE Candidates 2024 and joins Sri Veli with Nippon Nishi and Mukesh. Real Madrid moves closer to league title after Clasico win over Barcelona. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's weather will be mostly sunny. The maximum temperature will be 35 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 21 degrees Celsius. Humidity will be 32%. The wind speed will be 3 to 18 km per hour. The sun rose at 5:47 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:56 p.m.
Now the school news is the investor ceremony will be held on 30th April. Final round of the inter-house math quiz for classes 9 to 10 and classes 6 to 8 was conducted on 18th April and 19th April respectively. All the prize winners will be honored today in the assembly. 36 students from class 8, 9 and 10 are participating in the World Scholars Cup to be held on 3rd and 4th May. All the best to everyone.
Thank you, news readers. Now I invite Japlina Gurnoor to the thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is communication is not about speaking what we think. Communication is about ensuring others hear what we mean. I repeat, communication is not about saying what we think. Communication is about ensuring others hear what we mean.
The meaning of the thought is that communication isn't merely the act of speaking. It's about conveying the intended meaning effectively. It involves not just the words used, but also the clarity, context, body posture, speech intonation, and gestures. These non-verbal expressions convey emotions and intentions which enrich the understanding.
Thank you. We talk a lot about 21st century and Gen Z, but are we really aware of the skills that we need to thrive in this century?
21st century skills are a range of skills that can help a professional better navigate at career in the modern workspace.
It is rightly said that the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read or write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn.
अब कुछ अच्छा करते हैं.
So ladies and gentlemen,
देवियों और सज्जनों,
दिल थाम के बैठिएगा क्योंकि अब हमारी टैक्सी की टोली आपका मनोरंजन करने और कुछ सिखाने हाजिर हो रही है।
अरे स्टेज इतना खाली क्यों है यार? सब लोग कहाँ गए? रूपवती, ओ मेरी रूपवती, कहाँ हो तुम? क्यों जी? हमें किसने बुलाया? ओ मेरी रूपवती, जरा ऑडियंस को नाच कर दिखा। क्यों क्यों क्यों? मैं कोई झलक दिखलाजा में आई हूँ। जुगनू को बुलाती हूँ। जुगनू, जरा ऑडियंस को गा के तो दिखा।
मैं क्यों गाऊं? यहाँ पे कोई इंडियन आइडल चल रहा है क्या?
किसको बुलाऊं? अब मैं बुलाती हूँ गरजते हुए बरसते हुए मेरे अपने पहाड़ सिंह को। पहाड़ सिंह,
किसने बुलाया पहाड़ सिंह को?
तुम्हारे उस्ताद ने। पहाड़ सिंह, देखना इतनी ऑडियंस है रखी है, कुछ तो करके दिखाओ।
Hold on, boss. How can you forget your señorita? Now what's the issue?
हम बताते हैं, उस्ताद परेशान है।
वो चाहते हैं कि हम इस बड़ी ऑडियंस के सामने कुछ करके दिखाएं।
Gosh, that's just so simple. Now we're going to show our audience some real life situations on effective communication. We are going to show you different types and different barriers of communication.
रूपवती आपको दिखाएगी लोगों के बोलने के ढंग और उनके बदलते रंग, घर घर के हालात
कैसे बदलते हैं माहौल के साथ। तो चलो आओ करते हैं मौखिक संचार यानी वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन की बात।
अरे मम्मा, इधर आओ, जल्दी से दीदी को उठाओ, कब से पड़ी हुई है।
जबलीन उठ जा, खाना खा ले। जबलीन उठ जा, उठती है कि नहीं?
क्या मम्मा, सोने दो ना, छुट्टी तो है आज। दीदी देखो ना, मुमताज दीदी आई हुई है आपसे मिलने। वैसे मुझे एक चीज बताओ, अब आप बड़ी क्लासेस में हो रहे हो, आपको नहीं लगता आपको थोड़ा सा पढ़ना शुरू कर देना चाहिए? चुप कर, मुझसे नहीं होती है पढ़ाई, मेरे सामने तो नाम भी मत लिया कर।
पढ़ाई नहीं होती हमसे। जब टीचर क्लास में पढ़ा रही होती है ना, हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता और उनके मुंह पे ना मोटी मोटी किताबें दिख रही होती हैं।
अरे बस करो अपनी बातें, आज छुट्टी का दिन है, हमसे काम ही करवा दो।
काम कौन करेगा ये काम? We will hire servants.
छोटे छोटे काम के लिए हम नौकर लगवाएंगे। महारानियां हैं हम।
महारानियां? देख लो मम्मा, ना पढ़ाई करनी ना कोई काम और पाल लो महारानियां। अच्छा मम्मा, ये काम ना आप देख लेना, हम खेलने जा रहे हैं।
अरे रुको तो, देखो इसको, बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ता, पूरा दिन सब्जी खेलता रहता है।
सब्जी नहीं होता, सब्जी होता है।
हाँ तो मैं क्या करूँ? मेरी तो एक सुनता नहीं, तुम्हारी सुनते हैं तो तुम ही समझा लो।
एक नंबर का निकम्मा है ये।
तुम पर ही गया है।
पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी चल रही है आंटी, टॉपर हूँ मैं अपनी क्लास की। टॉपर?
देख इन्हें, ऐसे होते हैं टॉपर्स।
मम्मा की हेल्प करते हो?
हाँ जी आंटी, सारा काम हम ही तो करवाते हैं। हाँ हाँ, अभी भी सब काम खत्म करके आए हैं हम।
देख इन्हें।
देखा फिर, बोलने के ढंग से ही आप किसी को भी अपनी बात मनवा सकते हो। Verbal communication, the way we express, that way people believe.
मेहरबान, किराएदार, कूड़ेदार,
ओहो कदरदान।
हाँ गदरदार। आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी चीज दिखाने वाला हूँ जिसे देखकर आप हक्के बक्के बच्चक्के रह जाओगे। मैं देखकर इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसे आप देख तो पाओगे लेकिन सुन नहीं पाओगे। तो आइए बात करते हैं मूक संचार की। मूक संचार की, जिसे नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन भी कहते हैं।
हाँ यार, इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट कैच छोड़ दी फील्डर ने।
हाँ, उसके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से ही पता चला था कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट कैच था।
बॉलर को देखा था कितना भड़क गया था
और बैट्समैन की खुशी तो 7वें आसमान तक पहुंच गई थी।
और फील्डर की घबराहट देखनी चाहिए थी, कितना घबरा गया था।
और उस पर सारे बरस रहे थे। So from this we get to know the importance of communication and body language.
And also non-verbal communication. Nowadays, people use mobiles to talk. Not only communicate, they even stalk. So let's take a look at another hangama, which is another type of communication. Online communication.
What kind of post is this? Who's this guy?
Oh my God, इन्हें पंजाबी नहीं आती? देखो कैप्शन कितना लिखे है।
वो ਇਹਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਕਿਆਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸ਼ਿਕਾਇਤਦਾਰ ਸੀ ਟੀਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ
ज़्यादा ही समझते हैं अपने आप को। Let us look at the comments section as well.
ਓਏ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹ ਪਤਲੀ ਸੁਕੜੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਹੀ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ?
Look guys, ਦੂਜੇ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ? ਇਹਦੇ ਦੰਦ ਵੇਖੇ ਨੇ ਟੁੱਟੇ ਪਏ ਨੇ।
ਓਏ ਚਲੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਜ਼ਾਕ ਉਡਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ
ਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ?
Let me think. ਆਪਾਂ ਨਾ ਇੰਸਟਾ ਤੇ ਫੇਕ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਧਮਕਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ। ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਸਨਾ।
ਓਏ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੀਕ।
ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਆਂਦਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ?
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਲੈ।
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ? ਜੇ ਪੋਸਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ? ਓਏ ਧਮਕੀ ਵੀ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ।
ਓਏ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਾ ਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਧਮਕੀ ਦੇ।
ਉਹ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਕੱਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਆਇਆ ਨਾ ਛੱਡਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ
Who is messaging all this? What will they do if I will go to school tomorrow? मम्मी पापा ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਾਂ? No, ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਫੋਨ ਲੈ ਲੈਣਗੇ। My sister will laugh. What to do? मैं कल्ला रह जाऊंगा।
Cyber corridors echo with unseen cries. Beneath the surface, where the truth lies. Each click, a dagger to the soul, leaving scars that take their toll. For a world where mental health can thrive, in the digital age, let kindness revive.
सोचो तुमने जो बात कही मेरी समझ ना आई। तुम्हारी भाषा में जो धरती मेरे लिए है खाई। किसी की आंखों में दिक्कत है, किसी की गलत लिखावट है। आओ देखिए संचार में आती फिर कैसी रुकावट है। अब तक आपने देखी वर्बल और नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, पर मैं पहाड़ सिंह आपको दिखाऊंगा बैरियर्स इन कम्युनिकेशन।
हिंदी। सुप्रभात बच्चों, बैठो। अरे तुम्हारे बाल क्यों इतने बड़े हुए हैं?
सॉरी मैम, वो आज मंगलवार है ना, तो कल जाऊंगा नाई के पास बाल कटवाने।
अयो रामा, तुम नाई के पास जाती बाल कटवाने?
हाँ, नाई के पास जाता बाल कटवाने। नाई बाल नहीं काटेगा तो मैं ही काटेगा क्या?
हमारे यहाँ तो नाई बाल नहीं काटता, पर काटता जरूर है।
ये क्या बोल दिया है?
तुम सब चुप कर जाओ और बैठो। मुझे समझ आ गया है। तमिल भाषा में नाई का मतलब कुत्ता होता है, पर हिंदी भाषा में नाई वो होता है जो बाल काटता है। इसलिए तुम भी ठीक हो और तुम भी ठीक हो। चलो एक और उदाहरण से समझाती हूँ। मनतेज, जरा ये बताओ शिक्षा का क्या मतलब होता है?
मैम एजुकेशन।
हाँ बिल्कुल सही, पर मराठी भाषा में शिक्षा का मतलब सजा होता है। तो इसे कहते हैं भाषा और क्षेत्र का अंतर, यानी लिंग्विस्टिक एंड रीजनल डिफरेंसेस। चलो अब हम असेंबली की बात करते हैं। गुनसीरत, तुम अपने डायलॉग्स बोलो। क्या?
मैम गुनसीरत का गला खराब है।
ठीक है, तुम आराम करो। तो इसे कहते हैं फिजिकल बैरियर। इस समय हम चाहते हुए भी कोई काम नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी हमें अलाउ नहीं करती। मनन,
यस मैम।
इस बार असेंबली में तुम स्टेज होस्ट करोगे।
मैं और स्टेज? नहीं मैम, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
मैम मुझे स्टेज फियर है।
बेटा, इस मेंटल बैरियर पर तुम्हें काबू पाना है और इसमें मैं और तुम्हारे दोस्त भी तुम्हारी मदद करेंगे। मनतेज, इस बार असेंबली में तुम इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन पर कविता बोलोगे।
मैम इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन की एक टॉपिक है, मैं नहीं कर रहा।
क्यों, क्या हुआ? और तुम इतने गुस्से में क्यों बात कर रहे हो? आराम से बात करो।
मैम मनतेज अपनी मम्मा को गुट खा के आया है।
हिंदी।
मैम मनतेज अपनी मम्मा से शिक्षा लेके आया है।
बेटा ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं, तो इसे कहते हैं इमोशनल बैरियर। क्या हुआ?
मैम एक और बैरियर है।
Communication is the key, the answer to all thoughts which lead.
Which run and some try to hide away.
It's not simpler to think and say. If you
sorry, then say you care. Express your thoughts and why they're there.
If you love them, then voice your mind. Communicate effectively to be kind.
Thank you.
Now I request Rana ma'am to inspire us with her motivation words.
I am speechless. Are you? Audience? Yes. Are you? Yes. I think without saying anything, I have said everything. This is communication. You have understood what I wanted to say? So good. Actually, I have goosebumps. Then I think little tears also in my eyes. I'm floored. Anamika ma'am, where are you? Please. Be honest. I think when this topic was given, we just discussed two lines. I said that main problem that we always face is barriers to communication. I just want that we need to emphasize on that whenever you are depicting your assembly. And one thing more that I said, class teachers should not be visible when children are there. And just ma'am followed it to the T. And class, you people actually have executed it, whatever was our vision. This is communication, this is effective communication. This is the example of, perfect example of effective communication. Like whatever I said, ma'am understood it, ma'am executed it, ma'am wanted you people to do it, and you did it. This is communication. I hope everybody has heard me. When we started this session, ma'am was also there, that was the welcome assembly. And we were talking about, do you know on which skill we will be working this month? And that somebody said communication. And ma'am corrected, it should not be only communication, it should be effective communication. So communication is the art that whatever we want to convey, that we should be able to convey. The other person should be able to understand and execute. If that execution happens, then that communication is effective. This is the purpose. And one thing more, I would like to ask the audience, what were the other things that I said that day? Okay, just to see whether my communication was effective or not. I will just randomly pick somebody from the audience. Okay, will you come? Were you there on the day when we had welcome assembly? You were there? Oh my God, nobody was there that day. Anybody who was there? Volunteers? Anybody who was there the day when we had welcome assembly and we announced? Aravi, are you there? Yes, Aravi, you said that you know that communication is the topic. You remember or you don't remember? Who said? Okay, maybe I am wrong. You don't know? Okay, somebody was there?
On the stage.
On the stage.
On the stage.
Okay, but all of you were there,
Yeah.
so I will just call Apa. Just like that. What I said that day, that we will be working on communication. So, you don't remember? Okay. You remember? No. You remember? Okay, please come quickly. Yes, thank you. Come. We are just checking, ma'am, how effective is our communication. Come. Tell your name.
My name is Yashua Singh. Ma'am, it was adaptability.
Adaptability. I mentioned adaptability. I said how we will be working on communication. I'm just giving you a cue. I just said, we will be working on communication and how we have to work on it, what all we will be doing in school. I just dropped a hint here. I know, you don't remember? Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
Ma'am said that we need to communicate effectively in English,
Yes.
and the one who will be communicating in English will be awarded at the end of the month.
Yes, end of the month. Yes. And I told council members, I told that also, council members, all of you will be on duty and just observe, and at the end of the month, just come back to me and tell me any person who was using English throughout, and you could hear that person talking in English and encouraging others to speak in English. Have you forgotten, all of you children? Audience? So it shows that our communication is not effective. So what all we should do to make it more effective? Anybody from audience? What we should do as teachers? What we should do? Just imagine now. In the classroom, you are sitting there. Your teachers are teaching you. Your teachers are telling you so many things. If we are not listening, if we are not following, if we are not executing that, whatever is conveyed to us, then our communication is not effective. So just to make our communication effective, we have to listen carefully, we have to observe, and always give your opinion also. Whenever we ask you, like you just give your opinion, even if you do not remember, it is always good to raise your hand and say, I don't remember, or if you want the other person should repeat, just tell very clearly that, sorry, I have not understood, please repeat. So we will always be doing it. Fine? So once again, few days are left for this month, for this communication skill. Let us all work in this direction, and council members, I have seen you people, some of you speak in Hindi, and I think I am the only one who is announcing everywhere. All of a sudden I have stopped listening to any other words, only English, because your parents have sent you here to speak in English fluently. All the parents who come here, they say that we are speaking Punjabi at home, Hindi also our children know, but they do not know how to speak in English fluently. So this is the, I think, target that we are having in our mind now. So all of you just follow it. This is one request that we are making, teachers, everybody. So we will just keep on doing that. And secondly, other elements, whatever were explained by class 10C, a wonderful job, wonderful work. Wonderful job. Once again, a big round of applause from the audience for covering each and every element of communication. So thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for your wise words, ma'am. Now I request Rana ma'am and Principal ma'am to give away the awards to our quiz winners. I request Monica Sharma ma'am to announce the names of our maths champs.
Once again, congratulations, Cedar House, and best we have and all.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And how are we today? How are we today?
Great.
Fine, thank you, ma'am. Does that sound fine to you? But I like some of them did this. Yes, some of them did this. So, that's a non-verbal communication. The person expressed. Some children's eyes are speaking, and some of them use the words, but not effectively. Yes? So, what he said and what he sounded like was contrary. So, that is what they had told you here. That the way you speak, the expressions in your voice can convince others even if it's not true. And even if it's true, if he means that he's fine, he's not been able to communicate. I'm just giving an example, right? So I love your sense of humor. And we are continuing with that because 10C did such an amazing job with their sense of humor. What they brought to the table was amazing. And the funny thing is that what ma'am said was right. I was actually saying, who's the class teacher? where is the class teacher? Is this XYZ's class? And she said, the teacher is following my communication to a T because I told her don't be visible. So I said, okay, that's not bad. But the children obviously communicated very well what the topic was. So effective communication. What is it that we want in life? Can anyone tell me what is it that you want in life? What is that one thing that you desperately want? Anything? Random, yes. What is it that you want in life?
Money.
Money? Okay. Not bad. Yes. Stability. Stability in what sense? Financially. Again, we come back to money. Okay.
Happiness.
Happiness. Oh, I love that. I love that. Okay. Yes. You want to tell?
I want more success in my life.
You want success in your life.
I want to be successful.
You want to be successful.
Sports.
What about that black card? In the library? You don't remember? Do you remember? We were there in the library and we were discussing which cars we like. It was your class?
Yes.
I discussed with you?
Yes.
Why am I confusing? Because you guys are friends? Yes? Which car did we discuss?
Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper. Mini Cooper, black color. Okay. And what about you? What is it that you want?
I want to achieve more in my life.
What more?
Like, I want to be successful and achieve whatever.
So we'll be successful.
Happiness.
Happiness.
Satisfaction with everything I do.
All right. Satisfaction. Contentment.
Ma'am, support of parents.
Support of parents. Very good. Okay. Or support. Or support. Yes. I'm coming to my favorite child. Yes. What do you want? Anything. I'll give you 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes. Come back to you. Yes.
Success.
Success. Same. उसी का success ले लोगे? हाँ? उसको successful नहीं होने दोगे? उसी का success ले लोगे? हाँ? Yeah, मैं आ रही हूँ. मतलब ये तो हमारे most communicative 3 boys are sitting here. Yeah, they have taken over the seats that were handed over to them. Yes. Cars and success. Which cars and success? Which car? You want Fortuner. Acha, like, we can get it right now. Let me go tell your mom. Let's go buy a Fortuner. Which color? White. Okay. Yes, somebody else wants to say something.
Yes, Vardhan, speak up from this. I just come. Yes, Vardhan. School trip. School trip.
I see now. A job. Okay. So we spend what? 5 minutes? I've been giving you the motivational talk. Who's motivated? 7 minutes. Can was motivated? Motivated to do what? To go to school. On a trip. Yes. Okay. So, if you see, what is it that we are doing? Or what was I doing? I was just engaging my audience. There was no path or purpose to what I'm saying, but I am just communicating. Yet, we've been able to listen to people and understand their desires, what drives them, what is their passion. So I am talking about this. Most people don't bother about this. All of this we are very happy with. We are not working on this. The listening. We don't care what others are saying. Yes? And listening skills are?
Very important.
0. Poor. hear, but we don't listen. Because we are already thinking of the answer that we want to give to the person who's speaking. So we're not really giving our full attention to the person who's speaking, and I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about in our life. When we are talking to friends, we are talking to our peer, we are talking to our parents, anybody. We are always thinking of the answer. What am I going to say? So your mind can process one thing at a time. Either it can listen and comprehend what that person is saying, or it can formulate the words for your answer. So that is why if you just develop the skill of listening, you will be the most effective communicator. So this is a secret that I can give you. If I can speak to people, it's only because I spent about, I think, most of my young life listening. I used to only listen, never speak. And when you listen, you understand and learn much more than anybody who's speaking. So if you learn to listen, just pay attention, observe. And believe me, classrooms are one thing, the railway stations, the market, while you're driving, even now I do that. When I'm on the wheel, I'm observing the other drivers. And do you know what you can learn? Whether the person is on the mobile and whether you need to overtake quickly or stay back so that that person doesn't come into you. That's observation from what the person is doing, the body language. And you know how you come to know if somebody is on the mobile? Suddenly, out of the blue, they slow down when there's nothing in front of them. Because they are doing that mobile chatting or listening. So, communication can be a powerful tool. It can be a disaster. It's how you use it and what you use it for. Alright? So, learn to control your body, which means that you need to be presentable all the time. When we have children here also, I notice a lot of times when the child comes here, when they are speaking here, they are totally focused on what they are doing, but the children standing all around are looking at the child, but they don't understand that everybody else can still see them. Do you get what I'm saying? So my expressions when I'm standing here are visible to everyone. They might not be visible to this child, but they're visible to everyone. And we don't know how to control our expressions and body language. So our expression should be motivating, not making, ye kya kar raha hai, ye kya bol rahi hai. Yes? So that's again non-verbal communication. And if you learn how to read body language, you will have a very powerful weapon. It's more important than a lot of subjects because it's a life skill. You go into a meeting, somebody wanted a job, people want to be successful, you want to earn money. For all of that, you need to be an effective communicator with your words, with your listening, with your body language, with your thoughts, with your vocabulary, with the way you speak. So at the end of the day, whether you speak in Punjabi or Hindi or English, please make sure when you are speaking that language, it is spoken well. Yes? Because that makes a lot of it, it is very important. It makes an impression on the people. When I listen to people, I immediately think, oh, that's a thinking person. Oh, that's a reading person. Oh, that's a person who is involved in doing something. So their vocabulary, a person's vocabulary will tell you what the person's passion is. You have to go to that level. And that is effective communication because nobody is interested in listening to what you want. Everybody wants you to listen to what they want. So if you can gauge what a person wants and engage that person, asking questions about what they like, they will love you. Yes? So another tip for all of you, and especially the children who say we can't make friends, we don't have friends, learn to listen. if you listen, you will come. So you can't listen, bache, if you're talking. Yes, Adrija and her friend. Yeah, you are Adrija, right? So her friend has been talking for quite some time. So let's one person talk at a time. Okay? So what happens is that if you learn to listen, you will be able to make friends because everybody wants somebody who understands them. Success, money, you don't have to run after them. Alright? Yeah, so these boys are thinking, kya ye bol rahi hai aise, you know? This is of no importance, yes? We have to get good marks. Is that right? You have to get good marks to become successful? Sure? Are you doing something about it? Yes? This is class 10? Okay. So motivation for class 10, please work very hard and get lots of marks. Yes? We are wanting that also. So improve your communication skills, but get good marks also. Because we will then communicate to the world what a great school Smart Wonders is. Yes? I loved his body language. Did you see the way he spoke with his body when he was acting? That is the skill. Minimum words you need to use when you can use your acting skills, your expressions, and communicate a whole sentence in one word. So these are the skills also that you need to learn for success in life. In school, you can listen to your teachers and get good marks. Yes? Alright, thank you so much. Thank you, Sana. Wonderful. Wonderful. Can you see? Amazing assembly. Amanda man. HOD English.
It was like a class.
Yes. It was, no, and it was like an activity for learning effective communication. And that is what we need to do in the classrooms. This was fun, right? Learning how to communicate effectively. So don't you think if the teachers teach you like this, it's going to be fun? And you get good marks? Teachers, are you listening? Yes? Effective communication in your classrooms is needed. We have to engage the audience. If they are not interested in what we are saying, they will not listen and understand the concepts. So, but the teachers work very hard over here. Yes? So let's give a big round of applause to all the teachers. So the teachers need your listening skills. Please start listening and you will do very well. Thank you, ma'am. I think, yes.
Ma'am, little bit of, it's all interlinked, reading also. And for that,
Yes.
you need to subscribe newspaper.
Oh yes, okay. For that I will give a call to Sureshna ma'am to motivate come. So please say a few profound words about reading.
See children, I'll not take much time. But yes, we were all talking about effective communication. So for that, see, to talk also, we should be well-informed individuals, right? So for that, we need to read. If we don't read, if we don't have knowledge, we won't be able to interact, we won't be able to communicate. So I'll finish it in one line. All of us, we need to subscribe to the newspaper. I think you are going to have Tribune newspaper. You're going to opt for Tribune newspaper. Is that so? Classes 8, 9, 10?
So they will go for a trip from the Tribune.
Yes. And it's not only just opting for it. We'll have so many other activities. We can visit the printing, the press. We can have other activities, movies and fun activities. They are going to come for some interesting workshops. So all this will be possible if you opt for it, right? So this is also a part of effective communication.
Yes,
right?
very important.
So children, please, all those who have not opted for it, please subscribe. Thank you.
Children, now Preet ma'am has joined us. I think when we started our assembly, welcome assembly, that time I introduced ma'am, but ma'am was not here. So I formally welcome Miss Navpreet Kaur as senior grade coordinator for classes 9 and 10. Class 9 and 10. So ma'am will be teaching you physics. So ma'am has worked in Manav Rachna International School, Mohali for 4 years, I guess. 10, no, just Mohali. 3 years. 3 years, but otherwise ma'am has worked with the Manav Rachna for 10 years. So ma'am comes here with a lot of experience and her expertise in physics. Ma'am has already started teaching also, I think, one of the sections. So we welcome you, ma'am. Just one thing that was troubling me a little bit in the skit. I think very effectively some people were convincing that homework किया है और we are very good बच्चास. था ना कुछ ऐसा? भाई वो क्या है वो? Effective communication is good, but ऐसी intention के साथ communication नहीं चाहिए हमको, ठीक है? Children, so please do not take that message at least. Right? Thank you so much. You were wonderful, whatever you were conveying. But I just want there should not be any miscommunication regarding this.
Deception.
Deception. Yeah. It should not be perceived. It should not be perceived as if like we can also tell teachers with confidence. Homework किया है, सब ठीक चल रहा है, all good. No, we do not have to tell lies. Okay? So to be effective, we have to be honest. And that honesty is visible in your body language as well as the way you speak. It is always like that. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite the children whose birthdays fall in this week to come on stage.
I'm Sayansh, my birthday is on 26th April.
My name is Varth. My birthday will fall on 27th of April.
Thank you. Now I request you all to rise for the national anthem.